Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove caption from video in Capcut. So from here guys, as you can see, I have captions on my video or project over here. And now in order for you to remove it, you could just simply select it and you will have here delete at the bottom. But guys, deleting it one by one will take time. So just simply select the caption and go for the batch edit over here. And now here on the batch edit, you could just simply tap select and just simply select all. And once you have selected it all, you could just simply tap delete at the bottom right over here. And from here, a pop-up window will show up and just simply tap yes, delete both. And from here, as you can see, we cannot delete all of them. So just simply remain one or don't delete one caption and just simply select delete and yes delete both and tap on done, tap on check, and from here you can just simply delete it and you should be able to remove all of the captions. There you go, see ya.